Side chick wey person use his own legs, he go find am say, baby, I love you, I want you to be my side chick. Na that same side chick, he don let go that person, as in na that same side chick don send this man wey una dey see for una screen, to early RIP 1 day to his 50th birthday. Anyways, my people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anytime wey you take come across this video. Me be KONGOSSA&GOSSIP TV, where we do celebrity gossip and social media wahala. If not the first time this way you come across this channel, please grab your seat, you enter. Yes, make we dive on the matter, but don't forget for subscribe and turn on your post notification. So my people, this man wey una dey see for on a screen like this, him name na Michael Usifo Ataga. Now CEO for Super TV, as in the man gets money bidigba for body. My people, he no sit quiet. Oh, he has a wife with children. The wife self na working class woman. She self gets money because according to wetin they talk say his wife na manager for Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation. And the woman with the kids together, they live for Abuja, but this man, he dey stay for Lagos. My people, una sabi how situations dey now. 1 day to his birthday, now they can't discover say this man don Lego, and he be Lego by his own side chick where he meet 3 weeks ago. My people, make we read from wetin wey we get am for here. It talk say Michael Usifo Ataga, the Chief Executive Officer of Super TV and a Director in Super Network Limited, a telecoms firm, as he has been gruesomely murdered by his side chick. Ataga, who resides in Banana Island, was reportedly missing on Sunday by concerned friends and families after all efforts to reach him proved abortive. Checks at his Victoria Island office showed he wasn't there either, and this put everyone in a panic mode, including his wife and children who reside in Abuja. Unfortunately, his lifeless body was found this morning in a flat in Lekki Phase 1 with multiple staple wounds after several withdrawals was made from his account. Usifo, who would have been 50 years old today, had met a girl about 2 weeks ago and they began a relationship. This despite the fact that he was married to a manager in Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation. Usifo, who left more uncomfortably meeting with his side chick outside his home and house to prevent nosy neighbors from prying, rented an Airbnb in Lekki, Lagos, where they both checked in to before the unfortunate incident. Following his disappearance, a combined team of concerned friends, family members, and the police and DSS operatives all the way from Abuja, through the concerted efforts of the wife, tracked down the owner of the Airbnb, who received payment from the side chick's bank account, into which Ataga had previously made a transfer for the payment to. The apartment was broken into, and that was where he was found dead with multiple stabs in his neck, chest, and thigh. The robbers withdrew 5 million naira from his account before they killed Ataga. The side chick, who was last seen on Tuesday when the murder happened, was equally tracked down and arrested alongside the owner of the Airbnb. After the side chick left the apartment following his gruesome death, money began to disappear from Ataga's GTB bank account, and it was an email from Ataga's email address that actually asked them to change the account details, which stopped the withdrawals of the money. Investigation is still going on. My people, una don listen by una self, what it take happen. As in this man that he meets girl na 2 weeks so in start relationship jeje. See how this person take go RIP just like that because of waiting, because of side chick. As in what did they play? Now say your wife no dey do you again, or na how, my people? This one supposed to be as lesson for all those married men or married women wey they don't decide say their gbola and their pomo e no fit be eaten only by one person. No, they're supposed to distribute some like electricity bill wey they can't they give us say make we pay, my people. I see this one, I say no, man must to bring and come explain and wait till they happen, because people are surprised. It shows say my people, this girl before she won't come accept this money, she know who this man dey, and she don't get everything planned out as soon as they understand, because the man self it shows in a professional cheat. Now he be there before he lego like this, because they talk say he actually no one go to a house, and he no one go to the girl own house, as in he no one me no see neighbors that amebo community like us make we chook mouth put for the matter. He go find privacy. See where privacy don't carry and go, my people. Privacy don't send am to early RIP. He don't let go just like that. This one supposed to teach people lesson. Not be everybody where you see now it be warrant of you giving confidence and trust, and entrust your life for insight, because you will be side chick, so you fit take person life go. You wait they go look for side chick you fit actually just go put your head like this for devil in table, say oh me want go RIP you, make you help me go. I don't know the road to RIP station. I sing. My people, me see this one, my body cold. Make una fit imagine now how the wife dey feel, because it's like yourself, this man he marrying a responsible wife, as in wife where gets logo for hand, as wife where he get shishi for hand. The wife self no be that kind 100% housewife where she not get money, she not they bring income. My people, you get that kind wife, no, you decide in a side chick where you go, they spend the money they enter now they sweet you for body, wait till they play. My people, all these married men wait till they play. I've been an open relationship now in day. If you know say your wife na alone na did that marriage because truly my people, they talk say for situations they way some relationships and some marriages now you one day inside the other person be don't leave jeje, what till they say na the person shadow. If you know say you no want do again make you tell the person, and even if now wait before you want initiate for any kind of relationship make you mind where you they go to, because as you they open your nyash for outside make you know so now so your life to take dinner for string where anybody fit take cotton off just like that. Make una see how this our fellow man he don't go now so for RIP because of side chick, because of gbola and pomo when your wife self gets for house, my people. What you not think about this matter? Make una leave am for comment section. What you not think about this matter? Wait till I talk na sense or no be sense. Critics are very much accepted. Leave your own comments for comment section. What you think? Make I run enter street, my people. I go leave una before I go. Please don't forget for subscribe to this channel. Don't forget for like and for share the video. And I go see you now for my next time. As of now, I'm out. Truce.